राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस में हम देखेंगे क्या है। राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस में साइमन कमीशन। राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस में हम देखेंगे साइमन कमीशन टू वॉल्यूम रिपोर्ट वाज पब्लिश्ड ऑन 10th June and 24 June 1930. Political association rejected this report. Political associations rejected this report. Main leader of Congress were in jail. British government organized the first roundtable conference in London from November 1913 to January 1931 in an atmosphere of dissatisfaction and discouragement. फिर उसके बाद है 89 इंडियन रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स पार्टिसिपेटेड बट कांग्रेस वाज एब्सेंट फ्रॉम दिस कॉन्फ्रेंस. तेज बहादुर सप्रू, श्रीनिवास शास्त्री, मोहम्मद अली जौहर, मोहम्मद शफी, आगा खान थर्ड, फजलुल हक, एमडी अली जिन्ना, मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना, होमी मोदी, एमआर जयकर, डॉक्टर बी एस मुंजे, बी आर अम्बेडकर एंड सुंदर सिंह मजीठा, etc. were the ones who participated in the first roundtable conference. Katie Paul represented the Christians in the conference. This conference was inaugurated by British Empire and was chaired by British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald. Mahatma Gandhi was the sole representative of Congress. In the second roundtable conference held between 7 September 1931 and 1 December 1931. This conference was joined by leaders like Sarojini Naidu, Madan Mohan Malviya and Annie Besant. Gandhiji traveled to London on SS Rajputana ship and stayed at Kingsley Hall in London. Gandhiji traveled to London on SS Rajputana ship and stayed in at Kingsley Hall in London. Due to protest, the second roundtable conference the second roundtable conference ended on 1st December and Gandhiji returned without any gains. After returning, Gandhiji said, "It is true that I returned barehanded मतलब खाली हाथ. It is true that I returned barehanded, but I am content that the flag I had been handed was never let down by me, and I never compromised with the honor of that flag. I never compromised with the honor of that flag." The second roundtable conference was totally unsuccessful due to communal issue. B.R. Ambedkar was demanding a separated electorate for Dalit, which was not acceptable to Gandhiji. B.R. Ambedkar was the only Indian to take part in three roundtable conferences. The third roundtable conference was held between 17th November 1932 AD to 24 December 1932 AD, and Congress boycotted these two. फिर इसमें एक क्वेश्चन हम लोग देख लेते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंडियन लीडर्स अटेंडेड द फर्स्ट राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस इन लंदन. इसका आंसर है ए, मौलाना मोहम्मद अली.